Hello everyone, this is Olivia and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 2-ingredient slime. And this is kind of like frosting slime or icing slime because it's very fluffy and it's like really smooth and stuff and it doesn't stick to you. So let's get started on the video. First, you're going to need a bowl and a spoon. You can use water or you can use soap, it's your choice. And then you also want any kind of air drying clay. I'm using Model Magic clay. So start off by getting a bowl and opening your clay. And then you want to break it in half. With one half, you just want to play with it because when you first open it out of the packet, it's going to be really hard and it's not going to be very good slime. So you just want to keep playing with it for about a minute till it gets really soft. I've been playing with this for about a minute now and it's quite soft. It doesn't really stretch, but it's still very soft. Then you just want to add either water or soap. I'll add both to show you. So first I'll add a bit of water. And then I'm going to mix this in. When you first mix it, it's going to be very sticky, and it's just gonna it's still not gonna stretch and stuff. But when you keep playing with it, it's gonna start to get really stretchy. And yeah, so I've mixed the water in. So now I'm going to be adding the soap. If you want, you can just keep adding the water, or you can just add soap, or you can add both, but you don't have to add both to it if you don't want to. And then I'm just going to mix some of the soap in. And yeah. As you can see, it's kind of sticking to my hands a lot. So I'm just going to keep mixing all the soap in with the clay. So yeah, I have mixed some soap and some water to this and it's very sticky. So now you want to get the other half that you have and just start mixing that in with the slime that you just made then. So just mix it in. Okay, now I have mixed both of them together and it's really stretchy and it does not stick to your skin. So now the next part here is optional, you don't have to do it, but I'm just going to be adding some colour. So yeah, so if you want to add colour you can, and the best time to do it would be now. I chose to do 2 different colours, so then I can mix the 2 together to make like a nice multicoloured one. So I'm just rolling them like this and then just twisting it and twisting it. Now I've got a really nice multicoloured one. So yeah, that is the end of my video, so thanks for watching. Bye!